While adding stock footage or video from your CapCut mobile apps on Android, you might get this trouble. This error says no internet connection. Connection to the internet and try again, even though your internet might work for your other apps. Now, internet connection, internet error, or network problems for your CapCut are very common. To fix this connection issues and network error for CapCut, follow only 4 ultimate processes. So let's get started. Now, to solve this problem, first you need to open Setting, scroll down, tap Additional Setting, tap Developer option, scroll down. First, enable the Wi-Fi scan throttling. Choose always to keep mobile data on. After that, check your internet speed and stability. You can open the browser and type Internet Speed Test. Open this up. If you found that your internet is still not working well on your Android device, you can enable airplane mode for 10 seconds and turn off your airplane mode. Or you can switch your mobile network from Wi-Fi to mobile data or mobile data to Wi-Fi. If you still have issues and if it keeps showing you a connection timeout, open Setting, scroll down, tap Connection and Sharing, tap Reset Wi-Fi Bluetooth Mobile Network. Now choose the SIM card that you are using for the internet. Now just reset your network for your device. After solving the internet issues, you now need to open Setting, scroll down, tap Apps, tap Manage Apps. Search for CapCut apps, tap on it. Now first turn on Auto Start. Tap App Permission, enable Files and Media, enable Other option, go back. Now scroll down, tap Battery Saver, choose No Restriction, tap Restricted Data Usage, enable all the setting. Now clear cache, tap OK. Now follow the last 2 things. First, ensure that the CapCut is up to date from the Google Play Store. After updating your apps, you need to restart your Android device and reopen the CapCut apps. Now try to check your issues. Hopefully, after following all the processes, your problem will be solved. After following the process, please comment below if you still have connection issues with CapCut on your Android. Thanks for watching.